K9 Training Cincinnati. I'm here with Macintosh. Mac is an 11-month-old rescue. He comes to us for our 2-week board and train. Let's see what he knows before we get started. Mac, come. Good job, good boy. Mac, sit, he's a jumper. Mac, sit. Mac, sit, sit, sit. Place. 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 Mac. Mac. Down. Mac. Sit. 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 Down. Down. Down.
I'm Joe Gutzwiller. This is my wife, Laura.
Hi, we had our dog Macintosh at Off Leash K9 Training for the last 2 weeks for a board and train with Amy Sweeney. And we were very excited to come back and find that Macintosh has learned a lot of different commands.
We really appreciated that Amy Sweeney, that is, sent a lot of videos during our week on vacation, so we got to see Mac's progress. Got us really excited to get back and just see what he's learned during the week. So we're excited what we've seen so far and excited to continue his training at home. I think just to see him at Home Depot as people were walking by in his sit position and obeying, because the one thing that we were not able to do at home, he's a pretty smart dog, is get him to sit and stay. He would never stay. He would sit, but the stay command, or the just staying there after sitting, he would never do. So I'm really excited about that.
I would say when I saw him sit on a bucket, I was pretty excited. He seemed like he just learned quite a bit by sitting on that bucket. And Joe is excited to take him on walks with his new heel command. The communication was great while we were on vacation. We got daily videos on Mac's progress, and we felt very comfortable with him being at Amy's house while we were gone away on vacation. So we highly recommend anyone, if they want some more training for their dog, to check out Off Leash K9 Training, and it should be a great experience for you. And Off Leash K9 Training, Amy Sweeney was recommended to us by a friend, and we would definitely recommend them to one of our friends as well.